Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Canada's main stock index fell, dragged down by gold miners as prices of bullion fell against a stronger dollar after the US Federal Reserve signaled its rate hike cycle was far from over. Marathon Digital Holdings mined 615 Bitcoin in October, the highest monthly total in its history, showing that its struggle to bring hash rate online is behind it, the firm said in a press release. The US dollar eased slightly as investors digested the possibility that Federal Reserve may raise interest rates further than expected, while sterling edged higher ahead of the Bank of England policy meeting.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The French industrial output will be released at 07:45 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Germany's factory orders at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The US average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.